In this video, we're going to go over how to manually post an EOB. Start by going to Payment on the left-hand menu screen, and then click on Manual Posting. Up here where it says Payment, you'll always click on New. As you can tell, most of these fields get filled out for you. Your payment date will be the date of the check, and this will always stay Billing Office because you're posting an EOB. Your payment type will always be Claim when posting an EOB, and then the payer changes to Insurance. There's nothing to put in the code box. Under the name, you're going to search for the insurance company that paid you. I'll put in Aetna over here under Payment. On Total Amount is the total amount of the check. You can push Tab, and now you can see On Account this is $200. Method, it's either check or EFT. If you're manually posting it, more than likely it's going to be a check. You'll enter your check number here. Your default adjustment code will automatically default to ADJ SFS. This is the provider discount that you can take because you're contracted with that insurance company. Then you come down here to Patient. Type in your patient's name, and when you do, all the dates of service that have not been adjudicated by the insurance company will show up. You can also filter by date of service. You always want all under the legal entity, and then if you want to process you would click here. You could show closed items, which is dates of service that have been paid for already or written off, and you can show all lines. Under the Allowed column, you would take that amount from the EOB and then the paid amount. If there's a copay or deductible or insurance, you'll put it in one of these boxes. This patient has a $10 copay. $75 is being automatically adjusted as a provided discount. This populates as long as you fill in the allowed and the paid amounts. Then, if you notice, the next action on this claim is bill the patient for $10. We'll go to the next line. I'm going to put the allowed amount of $30. Now they paid $15. $15 again is applied to the copay, and this is the provider discount. This is the balance left to the patient. Then you would click Post. Now, if you wanted to write off these patient balances, you can come back here, change your adjustment amount, and then there's no longer a balance, and you write off Close. That's the next action that the claim will take because there is no balance. Then you will post. If you have another patient on the same EOB, you will do the same thing after you post. You'll come here and search for the next patient and apply accordingly.